Okay, so you can see what I've done. You just get your sectioning, your regular braiding sectioning, and then you insert your braids in. So that's my first line. I'm on my second line, and I've inserted all that in. Trick here is once you know how to braid, this part is easy. Just braid. That's what it is. So you put the hair in, which by the time you're interested in this, you already know how to braid. Otherwise, I will show you our home training pack, which takes care of all of that. So insert your braiding, and you don't braid for long, you just braid a little bit. So you can see what I've done. It's a bit like what we used to call pick and drop, but naturally this has gone a lot longer than pick and drop. The reason I'm doing that is because I'm going to leave it till I finish the braiding part, so I don't want the hair unraveling in the process. So that's why I've gone a bit longer. Otherwise, pick and drop about there, you should stop. But once you stop, the next stage is when we start the stringing of the faux locks. So that's one in, or a few strands in. Now just get this in, and you do that for your whole head. So your sectioning, you just like your braids sections, don't change your sectioning. You can be creative. I mean, people get really creative. Squares, I mean, this is squares, arches, diamonds, stars. You can be as creative as you want to be, but at this stage that you're starting, just go with your regular square sections.